Actually, it might be a little strange, but I'm happy to see some snow. All kidding aside. And here it is, almost the end of January. And this is the first really decent snowstorm, if you want to call it that. Well, it's not done yet, but anyways. Sort of enjoying myself. Just got done taking a layer of snow off the top. I don't like to let it build up. You never know when emergency calls or I just want to get up and go. You don't want to have that extra weight. Anyways, and it makes it less work for later. Anyways, it almost feels like it's starting to rain. Oh, please, no. Anyways, peace out. Yeah, she's looking happy. Night all.